This news story is brought to you by
1 minute breaking news.
Pakistan to take up Coast Guard's inhuman behavior with Greece. Interior Minister Rana Sanaullah said Monday that Pakistan plans to raise the matter of Greek Coast Guard conduct with their government in the wake of the boat capsizing incident that drowned hundreds of passengers, including Pakistanis. The minister's comments came after Pakistani survivors of the ill-fated boat blamed Greek Coast Guards for the disaster, saying the ship was deliberately sunk and no rescue was provided. Meanwhile, it was also reported that Pakistanis were forced to the bottom of the vessel. Keep watching Zigzag News, we make it special.
Zigzag News.